everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Hope everybody's year started out well for y'all. Today we are making up some little croissant chicken salad sandwiches, and I wanted to jump on here and share this with y'all. Okay, this is going to be kind of quick because I got everything already prepped and cut and ready to go. Everything you need for this will be in the description box. Now I wanted to say, if you can use whatever kind of chicken you want. Chicken breast, you could do rotisserie. You could boil it, bake it. I baked some large bone-in chicken breast with skin on. I just like that kind of chicken better. Chicken tenderloin is also really good. But I just got some large chicken breast that I did bake up. And to that, we're going to make like a dressing. So I'm going to go ahead and there's my mayonnaise. We're making up our dressing. And a little bit of mustard. There's my sugar. And now my mustard. That sugar just helps balance it out. I don't know if any of y'all tried those sandwiches, like from your local grocery store. That's where I got this idea from. Those little croissant chicken sandwiches. Those are so good. So I wanted to make some up. Some poultry seasoning. My salt and pepper. We've got some poppy seeds. And some apple cider vinegar. And we're just going to get this mixed up. Put this over here. And we will just mix this up. Now you can mix your dressing in a separate bowl if you want, but why dirty up another dish? It's all going to get mixed up either way, whether it's on top or bottom, right? Just get it mixed up. Now to that, we're going to add in, now you can do your chicken how you like. I like to shred a little bit and cut it into very small bite-sized pieces. We got that. We'll just get that mixed in there. And then I'm going to add in pecan pieces, very like the cookie size pieces you buy in the store. Little pieces. A couple of green chopped onions. There's some good flavor. Some very well diced celery, or however you like it. And some dried cranberries. And we're just going to mix this up. I'm going to let this hang out in the fridge for a few hours. And we're going to get some little croissant chicken sandwiches going. And the longer this sits, the better. Now, you can put your sandwich together like this and just wrap your sandwich tray up and have them for later. But I like to let it sit and then make my sandwich. And then I like that to sit. But you do what you want. But that's basically it. But the longer this sets, if you can make it even the day before, that would be great. But look at there. Doesn't that look delicious? Let me zoom that in a little bit. Hope that's not blurry. But this makes some delicious little sandwiches. So we'll get them sandwiches made up here probably in a couple of hours. I'm going to let mine sit. Okay, my friends, there are the sandwiches. I cut them little, not the real mini croissants, but the medium-sized ones, I guess. Put a couple of tablespoons of that in there and have some sandwiches. We were supposed to do this for Curtis, but he done left. It was a change of plans. He left yesterday, and he didn't want this, so I ended up making Toscano soup for him. So I needed to get this made up, so Curtis gets no sandwich, but I'm going to wrap them up and give them around the neighbors and stuff. But they're a delicious little sandwich. And Scarlett, you said the girls are coming, right?
Yeah.
we can give the girls some of these. Plus, I have some left. Now, I did state in the beginning of the video, or towards the middle, you can make it as soon as, you know, the stuff's done. But I wouldn't suggest that, because if you really think about it, you want that chicken to absorb the dressing. You don't want the bun absorbing the dressing, even though it's going to a little bit, but you want to give that dressing time to soak up into that chicken. I left mine in the fridge for 3 hours, and now I made the sandwiches. So, but everything you need for these is in the description. I still have leftovers. The husband likes to eat them with crackers. Right, dear? Hurry up, he told me. But there it is. I hope you guys give it a try. Enjoy. And if I ever forget anything, I will leave it in the description box. But until next time, please if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe and share. And we will see you guys next Sunday. Love y'all. Bye-bye.